Hello everyone, welcome to our TESOL Global YouTube channel. This is our Raspberry Pi for Embedded Computing video series. In this video, we will cover the LED blinking example for Raspberry Pi 5. So in this video, we will blink an LED using Raspberry Pi 5 GPIO. Commonly, LED is the first example engineers try out whenever they start using a new microcontroller or single board computer. It always helps to build up your confidence towards the new device. In this tutorial, first we'll start with a very basic Hello World Python code. Then we'll look at LED blink example using the board command in Python. And last, we'll do the same LED blink example with BCM command. Now we'll have a look at Raspberry Pi 5 Pinout. Raspberry Pi 5 has a 40 GPIO header. This header includes different peripheral pins, including GPIO, PWM, and different communication protocols like UART, I2C, SPI. It also includes multiple power and ground pins. In Raspberry Pi 5, the BCM or Broadcom command for GPIO mainly represents the real GPIO number in Raspberry Pi 5 processor, and board command represents the pin number the 40 pin header has. Next, you can see the schematic for LED blink example. So we connected a 470 ohm resistor followed by an LED to GPIO pin 2 or header pin 3. You can decide the value of the resistor based on your application. Now we'll execute the codes for Raspberry Pi 5. Before going ahead, we would like to ask you to subscribe the channel if you are benefited from our content. Also click the ring bell to get notification whenever our new video will be released. It just shows more than 80% of our viewers didn't subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe and help us to grow our channel so that we can provide much more quality contents like this. Now here you can see the remote access desktop window for Raspberry Pi 5. In our previous video, we showed how to do remote access for Raspberry Pi. So please follow that video if you want to do remote access. For programming, we will use Thonny to execute Python codes in this series. So it is built-in IDE in Raspberry Pi operating system. So if you go to the operating system sign and come to the programming, you can find Thonny from here. You can also install and use other IDs like idle if it's required. Now first we have hello world example. It is very simple and can be executed with print command. So here you can see the example of hello world. So if you write print and then in the bracket hello world and run it, it will show hello world in the shell or terminal window of Thonny. So this is one of the most simplest code we execute. Now for the second example, we have LED blink and this is with the board command. In the corner, you can see the breadboard with Raspberry Pi 5 where we have implemented the circuit we just showed. So in this example, first we imported GPIO library and then we imported the time library, and next we just set up the GPIO with the board command, which means it will control the LEDs based on the GPIO header pin number. We will control the pin number 3 of the header pin of Raspberry Pi 5. So we just set it up as output. Next we have a while loop. So inside the while loop, first we make the pin 3 of the header high or true, then we give one delay. So this time slip 1 means it's 1 second delay. We are turning off the LED with GPIO output 3 false command. So this will make the pin low, or this will send 0 to this third number pin of the header. And then we have time slip 1, which means again we have a 1 second delay. So this means the pin 3 of the header will turn on or become high for 1 second, and then it will become low for 1 second, and this will continue because this is within the while loop. So now if we run this program, you can see the LED is turning on and off, or LED is blinking. So now we'll stop this program and we'll move to the next program. So next we have another LED blink example where we'll control the GPIO with the GPIO number of Raspberry Pi 5 processor. Again here first we are importing the GPIO library, then we are importing the time library. Then we are setting up the GPIO as .bcm, or it means we'll be able to control the GPIO pins according to the GPIO pin number in the processor. Then we have the GPIO.set warnings false command. It means it will avoid any warnings, and then we just set up the GPIO pin 2 as output. Next we put the code for the LED blinking within a while loop. In this program, we also want to see the LED on and off in the shell or terminal window of this Thony. So to do that, we just need to use print command. So now here you can see first we said print LED on, then we make the GPIO pin to true, or we made this high. Then we give 1 second time delay. Then we print the LED off command, and then we make the GPIO low, or we did the false command here, and last we give 1 second time delay. So this program is running within the while loop, so it will keep running. Rather than using true or false command, you can also use GPIO high or GPIO low command to control the LEDs. Now if we run this program, you can see here in the shell or terminal is showing LED on or off. At the same time, LED is blinking in the circuit. So this is the end of this video. You can find the details in our TESOL Global website as well. In our next video, we'll show how to work with Raspberry Pi camera. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. As I said, more than 80% of our viewers didn't subscribe to the channel, so it will help us massively. We'd like to thank those who already subscribed and helping us to grow our channel. Add likes and comments and give us suggestion of what kind of video you want us to make. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter or X, and in Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you next time.